Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, I got a package yesterday from my friend Joyce who lives in Scotland. I have tried, this is the second time through this video, so hopefully this will work. I don't know what went wrong the last time, but yeah, so I will show you the beautiful card that came. Isn't that gorgeous? And she is from Paisley in Scotland. Isn't that just beautiful? Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. It says handmade just for you. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Joyce. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love it. And then there's this beautiful, it's acrylic, it's cut acrylic, and these are made in Paisley as well. Laser cut acrylic, and they have colorful aluminum and precious metals to create jewelry with a contemporary twist on a traditional Paisley pattern, made in Paisley. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. So I may wear it for like Thanksgiving or something. Or Christmas. Never can tell. And isn't this beautiful? It has a lucky sixpence in it. And it's all made of wood. And then in the background it has, oh, what do you call it? Like a plaid, tartan plaid. Is that the right correct word? In the background here. But it doesn't come all the way through. It's solid. So they had to place that in there. Isn't that neat? It says a lucky sixpence is traditionally believed to bring wealth, good fortune, and good luck to the keeper. Made in Scotland. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it, and I will be putting it on my tree. Just think it's beautiful. We're going to wrap that up there and put that up there. Then I got this beautiful little tag. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at this. Isn't this just stunning? It is a wool scarf. And it's Heritage Traditions, the woolen collection. And it has a lovely little, I don't know what it's a safety pin, but isn't that pretty? It's really old-fashioned looking. Yes, and it is so warm and so nice. I have never ever had a wool scarf. A real wool scarf. You know, you get the kind of Walmart, you know, that's supposed to be wool, but it's not. But this is just so soft and so warm. I will get very good use out of it. Thank you so much, Joyce, for all these beautiful, beautiful things. And they will be treasured forever. Thank you so much. So, let's try to cross stitch again. Yeah, I had to stop 3 times during the other one. So, I don't know what happened. I got nothing on what is wrong with between my camera and the, what do you call it? The camera and my computer. I don't know. So we're going to attempt this the second time, and then I'm just going to lose my mind, right? Alright, whoops. So we were stitching on this red symbol, and it's 321 red. Well, DMC, you know what I mean. Hang on. I'm trying not to shake. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's just been that kind of a weekend. You know, I was stitching on, oh, what is it? Louisa Cullimore. Trying to figure out what was wrong with it. Yeah, I had to frog out again. Why not? 3rd time's a charm, huh? So I'm stitching along, minding my own business, getting everything done, taken care of. and I kind of went back with my hand, and it caught on my hoodie. So I couldn't find the needle. So I'm looking around, took the hoodie off. It was stuck in the hoodie. That was great. That was like a 15-minute episode. So, yeah. I was like, where did that needle go? I mean, it can just land on the couch. Oh, no, no, no. That didn't happen. I'm telling you. So I finally figured out what was wrong with it, and it's in the process of being fixed because I had to, what do you call it? Frog out two separate parts. We're just going to move everything over. There we go. That way you can see what I'm stitching. So, yeah, it's awesome. And I'm stitching it backwards. So I've had that kind of a weekend, off and on. Didn't go anywhere yesterday. And I don't know that I will or I won't go anywhere today. Tomorrow I have to go to work. 10 to 4. I had to think what time it was. Yeah, it was special. So, fun times. Fun times. Didn't do much yesterday. Took a nap. And I stitched on Louisa Cullimore and what was the other? That new one, the crystal Christmas balls. Yeah. And that is about all I stitched on. Oh yeah, I did stitch a little bit on the geisha, but other than that, no. Yeah. After the losing the needle thing, you know, it was like, okay. Now, time to quit for a while. I finished watching 1899. Yeah, that was odd but true. Not true, it wasn't a true story, but yeah, no, we won't be watching that again. It was just a bit too much for me. But I really had to find out how it was going to end, and it didn't help, so yeah. After watching 8 episodes, things just kept getting weirder and weirder and weirder. So I'm be looking for something new to watch tonight. Perhaps, who knows? Or just watch stuff on YouTube like I do. So I don't know what was wrong with my computer. I still don't know. So we're just gonna do this and see if it works. And if it does, then y'all will get a video. Otherwise, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's all too full or something. So, it did the other two just fine. I got nothing as to what was wrong with it. Excuse me. So I think I'm gonna have... Oh, for pity's sake, I keep doing it wrong. That's okay. Nobody is gonna notice. have some real thick pork chops in there that I had gotten, and I need to have those. They're in the freezer. So we'll see how that goes. Really? You're just gonna do that? Alright. So I have been stitching all weekend. Left and right. I didn't get out the diamond painting. I may get it out today, but... and get some more of it done. I just haven't felt like doing diamond painting. I do it, and then I don't do it. And then I do it, and I don't do it. It's not nearly as consistent as cross stitch. The problem there is what to stitch on. Yeah, because I have one too many choices, I think. Oh, come on. It's been cold all weekend, so we didn't go anywhere. It did snow one of those days. Maybe, was it Friday? Beats the heck out of me. I've lost all track. Not that. So... I had to get some more thread. I was so not prepared to do this again. Oh, jeez. Where did it go? Where did it go? Really? Oh, here it is. Now that it has this other metal on here, it attaches itself to the safety pin, so I just keep it up there. And it's easy to find, except for when you forget where you put it. Oh, jeez. I'm telling you, I need to go back to work. Things are just coming undone here. There we go. Oh, goodness. Don't know how busy we'll be this week. We'll have to see. Might have some people coming through, going to the ski resorts, or coming to visit Grandma and Grandpa. You know how that comes, or happens. So, I haven't heard what time we're supposed to be at my son's. Probably around noon. Who knows? Hopefully it won't snow in Leadville and you won't have to go and plow. Because if he has to go plow, he leaves at 2:30 in the morning to go plow. And then he's done by 9, but he can come back and put the turkey in so that it'll be started. So yeah, it's all kind of up in the air. Yay! And hopefully it won't snow from this end going up there. We usually run into a bit of snow once you get closer to Leadville. They've had snow more times than we have, like 2, 4, 6 inches, But that's just the way things happen there. So, one can never tell. And I don't know if I'll go to my daughter's house, sometime this week, like before work, like on Tuesday or Wednesday, and do some diamond painting with the kids. I don't know if they'll want to do it or not. So we'll see. Well, good gravy. I missed the whole thing. I'm telling you. Some days you just, it's just not in the cards to stitch. And we're supposed to get an order at work on Wednesday, so we'll have enough stuff for the weekend that follows Thanksgiving. Because we didn't know. You know, you never know. Just to be kind of prepared. We even ordered extra of the, like, Pepsi and Coke and the alcoholic beverages. But, so we may or may not use them. I don't think this is going to go very far. But we'll see. Will you get there? Oh, itch. My skin has been getting dry from all this wind. I swear I'm putting hand lotion on 3 times a day. Just to keep my hands from cracking. They don't crack much, they just get dry. And then I can't hardly open my hands because they're so dry. Oh, come on. What in the world? Are you kidding me? Well, this will be a dysfunctional stitch with me, won't it? You can see that things don't always go the way that, you know, they don't always go perfect. That's why I never edit this kind of stuff out. See if I can get that next stitch. And then we won't have to start and stop and start and stop. There we go. Come on. Do get there. It really doesn't matter on these things how much of a knot you get into it because you got 3 or 4 colors surrounding them. By the time you get done doing all that stitching, it's just fine. Well, we got that part done. Hang on. Alright guys, I knew this was going to be a short one, but I wanted to get a stitch with me in there. I'll just keep doing the red. It's like scattered. There's a whole bunch of it down here. Whoops, sorry. Let's do that down here. So, yeah, we got a ways to go with the red, but it sure is pretty. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching. And thank you, Joyce, again. Yay!